Ichijo is one of Japan's largest home builders with over 35 years' experience. They use the latest technology to create healthy and energy-efficient homes, which is something Australians are becoming more focused on with the rising cost of energy. Brad Hoad from Thermal Performance is going to talk us through the features of the iSmart home and how Ichijo's unique technology can save the homeowners up to 60% on heating and cooling costs.
Ichijo Technological Homes combines several technologies to create a home that's energy efficient, such as its iSmart wall system, iSmart window system and the iSmart ventilation system. It combines these to create a home that's warmer in winter, cooler in summer, provides a healthier home for ultimate well-being of the occupant. So the Ichijo iSmart wall system uses this 140mm polystyrene. It's installed between H2 treated studs. This is covered with plywood for structural support and then lined again with another 50mm of foam. This wall system, combined with the air gap that it creates, provides an R value of 6.3, which is 3 times more efficient than a typical brick veneer home. Here we can see the Ichijo iSmart window system. The key component here is the UPVC frame and the double glazing. In between the double glazing is an argon gas. This achieves a window that's very, very efficient. In a normal house, if you had a typical aluminium window and you touched it on a cold winter's night, it would be very cold. It essentially would be the outdoor air temperature. In an Ichijo Technological Home, the iSmart window system, if you went and touched that on a winter's night, it would be the indoor air temperature. Essentially, the outdoor temperature wouldn't have transferred through it. The windows are installed in the factory. Right? It allows for very tight tolerances and there is less air leakage, so that when you heat up the air inside your house, it doesn't leak out to the environment, which means the money you've spent heating or cooling your house is not lost.
No one likes to get an energy bill, but do you know what makes up that bill? Let's look at a breakdown of a typical energy bill. 3% is the provider's standby fee, 11% is used in the kitchen, and 16% is other household appliances. What might surprise you is that only 7% of your energy bill is lighting and 25% is for the hot water system. However, 38% and the single largest portion of our power bill is reserved for the heating and cooling of the home. New homes built in New South Wales must have a minimum energy efficiency of 5 stars or more. So by choosing a home that has a higher star rating, you can reduce the heating and cooling portion of your energy bill. So how much can you save by looking at the star rating? Well, Ichijo's iSmart 7-star home can reduce your heating and cooling costs by up to 40% by utilising their iSmart 7-star wall system and iSmart windows. The Ichijo iSmart 8-star home can reduce this cost by up to 60% by utilising their iSmart 8-star wall system and iSmart windows.
I think going forward, with the cost of energy, that homes in Australia will become more and more tighter with air to control the energy that we use. This is already shown in Europe, that where energy costs are very high. As we know, in the Australian marketplace, energy costs are increasing, so therefore people are looking to have a home that is lower to operation cost. So if you have an airtight home, then you need a heat recovery ventilation unit.
Okay, here we can see the ducting for the HRV unit. The key benefit there is it's ventilating the house, but it uses only about 20 times less energy than a typical air conditioning unit.
In Australia currently, most homes are about 80 watts to 100 watts per square metre of energy use, where an airtight home is approximately 30 to 40 watts. So that's a large saving if you look at the energy use over a year.
So the unique wall construction, insulated windows and heat retrieval system create a home that is energy efficient and saves you money.